Hey everybody, welcome back to Honest Fred. Today, I'm showing you how to safely sideload apps on your Amazon Fire TV stick, step by step. And if this is your first time, here's what sideloading actually is. It simply means installing apps that don't appear on your Amazon App Store. You're not hacking anything. You're not breaking anything. You're giving your Fire Stick the freedom that Android devices already have. It makes your Fire Stick more useful, more flexible, and essentially more powerful. To sideload apps, we only need one tool, the downloader app. And if you ever need help, codes, or recommendations, don't forget to join my private Facebook group. It's completely free. All you need to do is be a subscriber on the channel. Link in the description. Now, before we sideload anything, we need to unlock one hidden menu. So go to your settings, then go to My TV, click on About, then highlight Fire TV and click on that 7 times. You'll see a message saying you are now a developer. So now from there, we're going to press back and developer options will appear. Select on it and turn on ADB debugging. Yes, you want to allow. And you'll be good to go. So that allows you to install third-party apps. So from here on, we are going to go to search and we're going to search for downloader in the App Store. So deep right there, just select downloader. Now we can install downloader, this one right here. We want to make sure it's this one, the orange one from AFTV News. Allow it to do its thing. Great, now we can launch it. Now I'm going to show you how to set up Aptoide. What Aptoide TV is a third-party app store designed for TV devices. It's clean, it works well, and it gives you access to apps that aren't available on Amazon Store. Here's how to install it. You're going to open up the downloader app, of course, and in the downloader URL bar, we're going to enter this address here. TV.com. // Make sure to include the / and the word TV at the end because this gives you the Fire TV version. Alright, so once that's done, you're going to press go. We're going to scroll down. We're going to hit Aptoide TV here. Alright, so once that's done, you could open it up. Aptoide is now installed. Going to allow. And you could just go through it. Lots of various categories. You can set up things a lot easier. So go through that, have fun with that. Now, some sideloaded apps behave differently depending on your region or ISP restrictions. A VPN keeps your connection private, stable, and prevents throttling. I personally use IPVanish. I've been using it for over 5 years. It works great on your Fire TV, and there's a link in the description if you want a discount. Now, listen, you don't have to have a VPN, but I'm going to be real with you. I'm going to be honest. That's why the name Honest Fred. if you're streaming, you should have a VPN. I'm going to be real with you because I'm going to show you how to stream different content, and you're going to want a VPN to protect yourself. It's, in my opinion, essential, especially with these devices and streaming. So do yourself a favor, check the link in the description for IPVanish and protect your connection. Now, a quick tip, always delete the APK after it's done installing. This will save some space on your device. You don't need the APK, you're good to go. So just delete that after you're done installing. Now, if you've been in the Firestick community, you know that a lot of people give a lot of codes. Some of these Sideload apps eventually stop working, that's normal. But inside the honestfred Facebook group, I'm going to be updating codes weekly, so you can ask questions, you get help, and stay updated. So it's a good community we're building up. Feel free to join. And that's it. You now know to sideload apps on your Amazon Fire TV Stick safely and properly. If this helped, hit that like button and check out honestfred.com for more guides and tips. So did I earn your sub? If not, check out the video up here. Hopefully you like this one better. Thanks for watching. I'm honestfred, and I'll see you on the next one.